Bore da, good morning, it's Jo from Talk and Play. Well, as it's nearly Christmas, I thought it would be really nice to do a Christmas activity. So what are we going to do? Today we're going to make When Santa Got Stuck Up the Chimney. Now it's a lovely activity, and how do we do it? Well, all I've got is a cardboard box, okay? I've used a tea bag box, but you can use any. I've got a lovely cup of soup box here. It's just something small enough for your child to handle. The other thing you're going to need is a cardboard tube, okay? And then I've just got a scissors and some sellotape and some cotton wool. Now, this is quite tricky, it's got some cutting out. So as you can see, I've cut a hole out of the top of the box and again out of the bottom, just wide enough to fit your cardboard tube through. But as you're doing these tricky bits, I've also got a colouring book. Now, some children don't like to colour, they like to stick. So I brought some sticky labels as well, Christmas labels. So if your child likes to stick, they can stick on a Christmas label instead. But if they like to colour, it's a really nice idea to maybe cut a Santa out of the colouring book and give your child the opportunity to colour in, and that's their part in it. Don't forget they can also colour their tube, okay? So once you've cut out your holes in the top and the bottom of your box, just check that your tube is going to fit in there as well, okay, before you carry on. And then when your child has finished colouring in their Santa and their cardboard tube, you can stick their Santa on top of the cardboard tube. Now you can see I've stuck mine a little further down because I've just used some wrapping paper, okay? So mine's a little bit flimsy, so I've stuck him a little bit further down for support. But if yours is card or a little bit thicker, you can stick him further up the tube if you want to. All you do then is you just pop in your cardboard tube from the top and then feel for it at the bottom and pull it through a little bit, okay? So it goes up and down. There you go. Just check that you've got the room to do that, okay? Now, once I've done that, I'll turn my box around. I can show you that I've just drawn some squares on my box as well, and then I've just used a single cotton wool ball and I've stretched it out a little bit and stuck it on top. So again, just put your little Father Christmas in the top, your little Santa, and fish around for him in the bottom until you've got him through it. There you go. And then you've got When Santa Got Stuck Up a Chimney. I hope you enjoy this activity together, and I hope you have a lovely Christmas. I'll see you soon. Hwyl fawr, bye bye.